What's up, my bros? Welcome to the next episode. How are all ye post-Christmas New Year doing? You know, I'm not here to like stunt on y'all, but yeah, I got this for Christmas and I love it. Thanks, Mom. And being that it was Christmas, it means that it is now 2019. And shortly before the new year, I decided that social media is complete BS. And that I should just be myself and make videos reflecting that. That is one of my main goals for this year, and I made some other resolutions, which I never do, and I'm very excited about them. What are they? My little notebook here. 2019, it's happening. Here are some of my New Year's resolutions. Health and fitness category, prioritize my gut health. I have just been to the naturopath for the past few months, and I've figured out what I cannot eat anymore that makes me feel like poop. I'm gonna start eating well and I'm gonna heal my gut, and that's really exciting. Work out minimum 3 times a week. Start boxing classes. I have wanted to do this for so long. Lifestyle category. These are some big ones. These are big words that I'm about to say. Number 1 is making a game plan to move or travel.
What is happening?
I'm big into travel. I love to travel and I love to be in new places. And I want to move or travel. So very redundant. So the next one is to implement sustainable and minimalistic okay, let me start over. The next one is to implement sustainability and minimalism in all aspects of my life. So, as you guys know, I'm in this series upcycling all of the stuff that I've yet to upcycle, and I want to get into that. I summed this up pretty well on my Instagram. I said, buy less, invest more. So I want to invest more into my business and buy less on just materialistic stuff. So I'm gonna do that. This is getting too long. I just want to be a minimalist. I want to be able to like pack all of my stuff in a suitcase. Not really, because I have furniture. But you know what I mean. To an extent, you know? I don't know. The next one is daily prayer and devotions. It's something that's very important to me. And yeah. I want to get somewhere with YouTube this year and just always put in work, always be coming up with new ideas, obviously, and just mainly when it comes to YouTube and my online presence, I guess, is to be proud and enjoy it. And that's it. Those are my goals. Also, to take everything less seriously. I need to chill out sometimes. You know? Anyway, those are my goals. Hope you enjoyed them. Sorry if that was too long. I don't care. It's my channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's get to the sewing. So here's what we're working with. It's kind of this A-line button-up tank. I bought it with intention to upcycle. Got it for $3. Here's what I'm thinking I might do. I'm thinking I'm just gonna kind of get rid of this whole collar and make it like a wide, oh my god, please stop making this gesture, wide strap tank type of thing. This might be a quick one. And then just kind of open up the back with wide straps as well and add in a tie to the middle of the back. You might not have to suffer as long as usual. Could be done in like half an hour, or it could take me the rest of my life. It's kind of a gamble that I play every single time I sit down to sew. Let's get started. Why this project might be super quick is because my serger's back. She was broken, now she's fixed. For all you sewers out there, you know what a big deal this is. So yeah, I'm excited to say the least. First things first, I think I'm going to remove both these pockets right back. Alright, that was fun. Next, I think I'm going to serge all of the collar off. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to, I'll just show you when I'm done. Oh, yeah. Yay or nay? Collar dicky. Okay. Okay, so here's where we're at. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna find, so it kind of, it's, okay, so now what I'm gonna do, and I'm just, what should I do? I'm so stressed.
Mozzarella.
Evenly, do you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna show you when I'm done. If you've never threaded a serger, it'll have you questioning how the world began. Who invented this? Overlock stitching was invented by the Morale Machine Company in 1881. That is such a long time ago. Cheers, Morales. You're geniuses.
Vodka?
I just got the most amazing idea. No. Yes? Hold on. Here's where we're at. Okay, I decided that I hate the buttons and that really changes everything, so that's great. So I need to serge those buttons off. And then the back, oh God, here we go. Here's what the back looks like right now. I don't know what to do. Like, I wanted to kind of cut the entire thing, you know, make it just a super open back kind of look. I just want it to be wearable, you know what I mean? You know, it's an awkward angle, most awkward angle in the world. Okay, whoop-de-doo-dah, here we are, almost done. So I got rid of the buttons and then I stitched up this. I might leave this open, but I think that might be kind of dumb. So here's the front, that's what that looks like, and then I completely opened up the back. I'm gonna add one button on the back to kind of secure it and let these hang loose. Whoa! Those down. I don't know what else to do. That's all I'm gonna do to it, so I'll show you how it looks tomorrow because it's way too dark in here. See you tomorrow.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
No. Wow, good morning. Okay, I do not like this look at all. Is this any better for you? No, it's really not at all. Oh my God, it looks so bad. Things got out of hand last night. Things did not go to plan. Elastic got involved. I sat in front of the mirror for about a good hour and a half just looking at myself with the top on. And I'm still not done. So all I did was add this elastic on the inside of just on top of the shoulders, but I made a different game plan. Okay, just stay with me and it's fine. I put the elastic on because it helps it stay on my shoulders. I'm kind of sewing dumb occasionally and I don't factor things like that in. You know, the fit, if it's gonna look good, if it's gonna like stay on my body. I'm an expert, what can I say? Let me just okay, so I don't like it right now. I don't think it's cute. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this down a little bit and then I'm gonna close up the back and then I'm going to cut it off right about here. And then I'm gonna use all of this excess and kind of make like a frilly add-on addition. Like I'm gonna add it back on. But it's gonna be super ruffled and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's fine. Moment of truth, I am cutting it off now. Also, please don't ask me what I'm wearing. Now what? I'm so sorry that I chose to look like this today. Here's what I'm gonna do with the bottom half of all that fabric that I just cut off. I did this in another one of my videos actually. All I'm doing is I'm gonna run 2 basting stitches. Not this type of basting, okay, like sewing. This is a sewing tutorial. Along the top here. And then I'm gonna pull so that this fabric up here will gather. In case you actually wanna know how to do that thing I was just talking about, because apparently this is a tutorial. I think one stitch will actually work just fine. Originally I said two. Basically, you want a really long stitch so that you can pull either the bottom thread or the top thread, so the ones that are hanging off the end, and you just pull and it kind of just ruffles along that stitch. It's a little bit tricky, so you just kind of have to wrestle with it. Okay, let me stitch this on now. Looks good. I think I actually did it. I think it actually kind of looks good.
Was I tempted to obey the trigger force inside my brain? It told me, I know what you're thinking of when you see her moving just like that. This feeling that I try to keep, but something holds me back into another dark space, and I wish just once, yeah.
I put on makeup and earrings. As usual, I started out kind of iffy, the middle was a bit iffy, and then the ending was just spectacular. Do you like it? It's okay, because you're not going to wear it. I am. Thanks for watching. Many vids to come, so stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.
Case